Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics you can change right now. Update or clean install the GPU driver and make sure the PCIe power cables are firmly connected. Once done, confirm the power supply provides adequate wattage. PSU should exceed the GPU TDP by a safe margin. Next, run a quick baseline. Open MSI Afterburner or Task Manager to log temps and FPS. This gives you the snapshot you need to compare before and after each tweak, so you know what actually fixes the drop. Once you have a baseline, reduce competing load and stabilize performance. Close overlays and recording software, and kill background processes that spike CPU or disk activity. Then make system changes. Switch power plan to high performance and set GPU power management to prefer maximum performance in the driver control panel. In-game, reduce CPU bound settings like draw distance or crowd density, and consider capping FPS or enabling DLSS/FSR to relieve GPU load. Finish by tackling persistent issues with deeper fixes. Carefully undervolt the GPU or tune the fan curve to reduce thermal throttling while preserving clocks. If instability continues, test hardware by reseating the card, trying another PCIe slot, or swapping GPUs to isolate the component. If software seems culpable, roll back to a previous driver version or boot into a clean OS install to rule out conflicts. If nothing helps, focus on VRM and PSU diagnostics. Make sure you have one targeted troubleshooting path left to test.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.